Welcome back to Guitar Gathering. Today I want to talk a little bit about my new MGL50 from Mark's Guitar Loft. You can also find it at MGL Ampworks.com. This is an amp modeled after essentially a late 70s Marshall JMP 2204, so a 50 watt head. It's got your standard Marshall style controls on it. One of the things that is unique about this is it's got a couple switches on it. One here on the front, which in the up position is more of a vintage Marshall tone. It's a little smoother on the top end, and on the bottom it's a stock 2204. I guess section into the tone stack. Adds a touch more mid and a little more bite to it. And then on the back of the amp, there's a switch for stock 2204 4 ohm tap connectivity, and in a vintage mode it goes to the 16 ohm tap, so I guess that's more vintage plexi like in terms of tone. So I have it set up for stock 2204 on the back and kind of the vintage one on the front. Presence is a little beyond halfway, basses up to about 7.5 or so, mids are right down the middle, and trebles on about 7. I got the master just over 2, and it's plenty loud, and the gain up at 6 on this. So I'll play just for a minute or two so you get an idea of what this thing sounds like. It's going through a Mojo Tone oversized, essentially British slant cab. It's got an Eminence greenback clone up here on the top and a greenback reissue. 25 watt UK made in the bottom, and it's mic'd up with an SM57. Sounds great, so let me do a little playing and hope you enjoy it.